Your first $100 online is the hardest, not because it requires the most work, because it requires the most belief. Today, the fastest, most reliable way to make your first $100 online using completely free AI tools. Everyone who earns money online remembers their first payment, not because of the amount, because of what it proves. It proves the system works. It proves you can do it. After your first $100, every dollar after is easier because you know it is possible. In the most direct, actionable, fastest possible way using only free tools available right now. By the end of this video, you have a clear path to your first $100 online. Method 1. Fastest option, Fiverr writing gig. Here is the complete setup in under 2 hours today. Step 1. Go to fiverr.com, create your account. Step 2. Click Selling, then Gigs, then create a new gig. Step 3. Open Claude and type, "I am creating a Fiverr gig for AI-assisted blog writing. Write me a compelling gig title, description, 3 package names with descriptions and pricing for $35, $65, and $100, and 5 FAQ answers that address common buyer concerns. Make it sound professional and trustworthy to first-time buyers. Paste Claude's output into Fiverr. Your gig is live today." Step 4. Promote immediately. Post the gig link on LinkedIn. Post it to your WhatsApp. Your first order could arrive within 48 hours. When it does, Claude writes the article in 45 seconds. You edit it in 15 minutes. Deliver it. Collect $35. That is your first $100, 3 orders. Realistic timeline, 3 to 7 days. Method 2. Affiliate link. Sharing method. 2 run simultaneously with method 1. Sign up for affiliate programs today. Takes 30 minutes total. 11 Labs affiliate, 11labs.io/affiliate, Notion affiliate, notion.so/affiliates, Canva affiliate, canva.com/affiliates. You now have unique links for 3 products. Share these links everywhere people might sign up. Your YouTube descriptions, every video, your LinkedIn post, when you mention the tools, your WhatsApp, when recommending tools to contacts. Reddit communities about productivity or side hustles, where relevant and genuine. 20 signups, $100 per month, ongoing, forever. Share your link genuinely and consistently. Your first 20 signups could arrive within 2 to 4 weeks. Method 3. Selling 1 Notion template. Method 3. Build 1 simple template this weekend and list it. The fastest template to build and sell, a weekly budget tracker. 2 hours to build using Claude's structure prompt. 1 hour to list on Gumroad with Claude written description. Share on LinkedIn, Reddit personal finance communities, and YouTube. Price it at $7. You need 15 sales for $100. Promote it on LinkedIn post. This approach gives away a free version to build goodwill while driving purchases of the paid version. After 15 sales, you have $100 and a product that continues selling. Combining all 3 methods, you do not have to choose one method. Run all 3 simultaneously starting today. Fiverr gig live by tonight. Affiliate link shared starting tonight. Notion template built this weekend. Listed Monday. After your first $100, the question changes. Not can I make money online, but how much do I want to make? 3 methods. All free tools. First $100 within 2 to 3 weeks. Fiverr writing gig, live today. Affiliate links, shared today. Notion template, built this weekend. The only decision left is whether you start today or keep waiting. All tools are free. Links in the description. Subscribe. New video on alternative days. See you in the next video.